So what do you have there? Tell me so we can tell Uncle T. What do you have?
Pizza cars.
Okay. So you have some cars. Let's see them. Hold them up so Uncle T can see them. Say, Uncle T, look at my cars. Here you go. Do those go on the train track then?
Those are train track.
And how?
Cars.
And then they go on here. Let's see.
No.
Oh, okay. You do it. All right. Is that Thomas?
No.
Oh, it's not Thomas the train?
Mm-mm.
Oh, who is it? You probably know better than me. Is it Percy?
Percy.
Oh, Percy.
Huh?
Okay.
Now then Percy go.
Oh, where does Percy go?
Percy Day.
Oh,
Percy.
it is Percy.
How many Percys do you have?
2. Let's go check.
Right on the track.